Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE brand washing machine and it's giving you an E63 error on the display panel and you're wondering what is this error and what do you need to do to get rid of it. So first of all, what this error is this error is a lock assembly failure error, which basically means the door can't lock properly, and you may notice when you get this when you try to start a cycle and then the cycle never starts and then you get this error because the washer is waiting to sense that it's locked to start the cycle. So there's kind of three things you need to do to fix this in order of kind of how hard they are to do. The first thing is just to make sure that there's nothing physically preventing the door lock from closing and locking properly. Like you might have gotten some lint or some gunk or whatever on some part of the lock assembly that's preventing it from working properly. The second thing, and if that's the case, you just need to clean it off. The second thing is to check the actual mechanics and make sure that mechanically everything is moving like it should. If you find something that's stuck or something like that or sticking, you might be able to work that and just with some lubrication, get it working again. If you find something actually broken in there, you may need to actually replace the door lock assembly. And then finally, you can check the wiring that goes to the door lock assembly and fix or replace anything like that as necessary.